Hello, my name is Ken Renner, your Santa Rita resident real estate expert. Welcome to my new listing at 217 Glen Arbor Drive in the Tierra Rosa section of Austin's #1 selling master plan community, Santa Rita Ranch. Santa Rita Ranch is the fastest selling master plan community in the Austin Metro and has been awarded Community of the Year 4 times by the Austin Builders Association. Santa Rita Ranch will have over 8,800 homes and includes 5 amenity centers, a resort-style pool, water slides, a fitness center, clubhouses, and pickleball courts. This stunning east-facing home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, plus a private study. It boasts 2,420 square feet on a very private Lakeview lot. Thoughtfully designed with comfort and functionality in mind, this popular Perry-built 2420 model is one of Perry's most popular sought-after floor plans. As you step into the home, you will notice the sleek ceramic tile flooring, which carries throughout the entire home. 12-foot ceilings gives a sense of elegance as you move past the private study on the left. Enter the great room and experience the wide-open grandeur and the natural ambient lighting, including the luxury draperies. The heart of the home is a large gourmet island kitchen with stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, 42-inch cabinets with hardware, a tile backsplash, and a refrigerator that is included in the price. The kitchen and the great room feature recessed lighting and a luxury ceiling fan. In fact, there are ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, keeping your family cool during the hot summer months. Enjoy sweeping views of Ed's Lake from the master bedroom. The master bath features a huge master closet, split vanities, plantation shutters, garden tub, and an 8-foot shower surround. Next to the master is a bedroom featuring a private ensuite bathroom with a no-curb shower, perfect for multi-generational living or guests seeking added comfort and privacy. Towards the front of the home are 2 spacious bedrooms connected by a Jack and Jill bathroom. Enjoy the lake view and the mature trees from your backyard, which backs to this protected greenbelt. The low-maintenance backyard includes a covered patio with matching tile to the interior floor, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience. Step through the gate in the back fence and onto the hiking trail that loops around the lake. The spacious 3-car tandem garage includes a workout area and exterior access, adding versatility for active lifestyles. Included is a water softener, full house filtration system, and full irrigation, which ensures the landscaping stays vibrant and fresh all year round. Located close to shopping, including the new H-E-B and Costco that's coming soon, the restaurants, the commuter train, and the new toll roads that crisscross the high-tech corridor. There are 3 on-site elementary schools, 1 middle school, a daycare center, and a private school. I love Santa Rita Ranch, and I live in this same beautiful community. This is the place to be. Give me a call, Ken Renner, your resident real estate expert with over 42 years of experience. I'd love to serve you. 512-423-5626. I'll see you at the ranch.